had called me and said if I'd taken the window tint out, that it'd be dismissed.
No, I said it could possibly be dismissed. You had to do the motion, and the prosecutor's office had the chance to object or not object, so they objected, so that's why there's a hearing.
That's not exactly what you said.
It was.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. You said they would dismiss it.
No, that's not what I said.
Yes, it
I
is.
saw what you wrote in your motion. That's not what I said.
Take your hat off, sir.
Yes, boss.
I wrote it.
How many witnesses the state have?
Just one, Your Honor.
State calls first witness.
Your Honor, State calls Captain Patterson.
Raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. I do. Please have a seat.
Captain, can you state your name for the court?
Reginald Patterson.
And where do you work?
Stop for a second. Why are you being demeaning to me? You know I know who he is. You know what I know he does. Okay? I'll take care of this. Captain Patterson, I'm sorry about that. I'm going to make a statement, and I want you to follow me here for a second, okay? Here in the last 3 or 4 months, did you stop that fella right there for a window tint violation and for no seatbelt?
Yes, sir.
And you checked the window tint through a meter, is that correct?
That's correct.
Or some other way?
10 meter,
And you found that his window tint was what?
25%,
And what's the legal limit on that?
35%.
And he was not wearing a seatbelt.
That is correct.
Did that happen in Putnam County, West Virginia?
Yes, sir.
And was he on a public roadway?
Yes, sir.
And was he operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Anything further from the state?
No.
Have a seat, sir, for a moment. Okay, since I have the right to ask questions, I'm gonna tell you what it is, Mr. Sexton, okay? You understand me? I said, do you understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, this is the way it's gonna be, Mr. Sexton. If you ask anything demeaning of this witness whatsoever, I'll find you in contempt of court. I'm already gonna find you that way, first of all, for the little comment you made to him coming in the courtroom. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any questions of this person?
Well,
Yes or no?
I have a statement. I guess I don't.
No, do you have any questions of this?
Oh, yes, I do.
You do?
Yes.
If anything's demeaning in any manner whatsoever, I'll find you in contempt of court. They asked him what his name was and what he did. To me, that was demeaning. Do you understand that? You're not going to treat him in that manner. Do you understand me? You ask anything out of line that I think is demeaning, and I'm going to find you in contempt of court. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
You certain?
Yeah.
You have questions to ask him?
Yes.
So, Captain, would you care to take a stand again, please?
Probably so, sir.
It will be in the form of a question, Mr. Sexton.
Okay. When I passed you, did you see me not wearing a seatbelt?
Yes, sir.
Did my bumper sticker? If I did not have those bumper stickers, would you have pulled me over?
That has nothing to do with this case.
Okay.
Next question.
No questions.
You may step down, sir. This time, Mr. Sexton, you can offer witnesses or you can testify.
Well, as far as the window tint, I
No,
forget.
you'll do it from the stand.
Oh,
Do you want to testify?
yeah.
Okay, come on up here. Let me swear you in first. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Sit down.
As far as my knowledge is, you'll find most vehicles have a legal window tint. Apparently mine
It has nothing to do with it. What about yours?
Apparently it was. I had no idea. That's the truth.
I don't believe that. You're in the car business, aren't you?
I'm a bookkeeper.
Are you?
I'm a bookkeeper in a
Yeah,
car business.
You've been around the car business for years, right?
I had no idea that window tint said, I took it out.
Did you? Okay. Why? If you were wrong, why'd you take it out?
I don't think many people know. I think that most people aren't aware that they are driving vehicles with a legal window tint.
Really?
I believe that, yes.
Okay.
And I know
You can believe that all you want to, but the law is it's 35%.
Right, and I'm not complaining about it, all saying that I
Okay.
took it out.
Okay. What else do you have to offer? Were you wearing your seatbelt, yes or no?
No, it's not.
Okay. So that's your admission that you weren't wearing your seatbelt.
That's right, but I do believe he pulled me over without probable cause. I do believe he did not.
If you're not wearing your seatbelt, that's probable cause. If you have illegal window tint, that's probable cause.
Okay,
He doesn't need probable cause. He has to have reasonable suspicion. First of all, that's a lower grade of that.
okay,
All right? You understand that?
okay.
And let's discuss a few other things since you're up here, okay? You know, where I come from, Mr. Sexton, when somebody writes things derogatory as you did in your emotions towards me, and I'm right here with you, right here,
Right,
okay? To me, those are fighting words,
okay,
okay?
okay.
You want to fight me? Is that what you want?
No.
Then why are you saying something like it? Like I said, that's where I come from.
Because I believe you're not a very good person.
Well, I don't care if you do or don't.
I know you don't.
And do you think anybody in this courtroom or anybody in this around here thinks you're a good person?
Probably not, but they're mistaken.
Whatever. You know, I've done nothing but try to be fair to you, and then you want to sit there, you can roll your head all you want to. But I'm gonna tell you right now, Mr. Sexton, why haven't you been by my house like you did the other people? Why didn't you come? I was waiting on you. Why didn't you come? I wanna know.
I don't know where you live.
Yeah, you did.
No, I don't.
I wanna know why you didn't come.
Why would I come to your house?
What you did to the women and what you do to children.
Do the children be children?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to be children.
Yeah. How come you didn't come to my house? Why didn't you come? Were you afraid?
No, I just didn't see any reason to come to your
Come
house.
by anytime, Mr. Sexton. Come by anytime you want to.
Just knock on your door.
Yeah, you come anytime you want to. Yeah, you knock on my door, whatever you want to do. Okay?
For dinner or what?
Yeah, for anything you want to.
All right.
And see what happens to you.
All right.
Okay?
I'm willing to pay my fine and get home.
No, you're not done yet. I'm not done with you.
Okay.
You're gonna pay another $50. The fine on the seatbelt's $100. Okay? On the window tint, it's what?
Up to $200 plus
Court
court costs.
cost is gonna be $160.25 and $200 fine on it. And you're gonna pay a $50 fine for saying or connect the court from one point to him. Right? You understand that?
I'll still be able to sit behind home and play the Dodger games.
Hey,
Still at the team hotel. I'll still be living the life, man.
That's right.
Money doesn't, hey, this isn't Cincinnati where y'all tried to throw me in prison for 3 years with lies. So
Yeah.
I'm okay with
I
it.
didn't charge you.
I'm okay with it.
That's good. That's good.
I'm okay with it.
But come on by anytime, Mr. Sexton.
Okay.
Okay? I really do. And let me tell you something about as far as being a pig. From what a couple of your neighbors have told me, and from what